Children, today we will learn chapter 7, saying without speaking. First, I want to ask you children, how will you react when you are asked to act through actions without speaking? To understand this chapter, let us play a game. In this game, everyone has to let others know what they want to tell without speaking. Divide the class into different groups of 6 or 7 students. Concerned teacher will give a situation that will be written on a piece of paper. Each group will silently read and prepare and act accordingly without speaking. All groups can express their views only by expressions and by making their faces. When all the groups are ready with their act, they have to perform one by one in front of the other groups. The other will have to guess what they have acted. Children, it is very interesting game. Children, did you like yes or no? Write in the comment box below. Have you ever seen anyone talking through actions? Yes, as well as my concern, I have seen one of my friend who cannot speak. She speaks by her lip expressions only. Who cannot speak and act through their expressions are known as dumb people, and the people who are not able to hear any type of voice are called as deaf people. Children, have you ever seen anyone talking through actions? When do people need to talk like this? When they are not able to speak either by birth or due to some accident in their life. Most of us can hear and speak properly, but there are few people who neither speak nor hear. These people talk through actions. They clearly understand what the other person is saying by studying their lip movements. Children, as you find many students in your class, some of them can sing well, others write good poetry, some can draw good paintings, others can run fast, few are good in sports and others are good in studies. It means all of us cannot do everything. In schools, we can learn with each other. Like all children, in school we can learn with each other like all children who cannot speak and hear also go to school to read and write. They are being taught sign language. Using sign and symbols they can learn. Now children, here is a poem. I am going to read the poem first. Listen it attentively. I have a sister, my sister cannot hear. I have a sister, my sister is deaf. She is special. There are not many sisters like mine. My sister can play the piano. She likes to feel the deep rumbling chords, but she will never be able to sing. She cannot hear the tune. She likes to leap, to tumble, to roll, to climb to the top of the monkey bars. Now my sister has started going to my school, although our mother still has her lip read at home. The teacher and children do not understand every word. She says like sister or water or thumb. I wore my sunglasses yesterday. The frames were very large. The lenses were very black. My sister made me take them off when I spoke. What do my brown eyes say to her brown eyes? In this poem, a boy is telling about his sister who cannot speak and hear. In this poem, his sister could play piano but never can sing. She can never be heard the tune of anything. His sister could climb the top of the monkey bars. When his sister started her school, mother helped her, but teacher and other classmates did not understand every word she said. Such persons can understand the expressions of eyes also. Eyes play an important role to express ourselves. Do you observe children about 6 to 8 months in your area? How do they express themselves? As far as my concern, in my neighborhood, one small kid of 7 months live. He only understands through eyes, face expressions and shaking of lips. If he wants to express something, he suddenly either starts crying or from his eyes expressions.
Children, keep watching this video till the end because now we will discuss the activity portion of the chapter. I am giving a worksheet which will help you to practice your learnings. So students, many of you are watching my videos but not yet subscribed. Please subscribe my channel M Saxena Classes and like my videos for my motivation. Press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Now let us continue the remaining chapter, that is activity portion.
You must be wondering what kind of faces these are. They have no eyes, no nose, no mouth. According to situation, you have to make these. Are you ready, children? This is an activity for you. Situation 1. This boy is Aftab. His favorite toy has fallen down and broke. He is sad. So you will draw a sad face in situation 1. Now we come to situation 2. This is Julie. That is my nickname also. Her little sister was born just yesterday. She is very excited. So how will her face look? Her face will look very happy. You will draw a happy face. Now we take the situation 3. This is Yamini's mother. Today, while Yamini was taking out the bottle of pickle means children achar, from the kitchen, it fell from her hand and broke. Her mother's face, you will draw how it will be. It will be angry face. So you will draw angry face. Now we come to situation 4th. This is Rihanna. She is afraid of dogs. While playing, suddenly a dog came in front of her. How will Rihanna's face look? It will look furious. You can also express your feelings through expressions. Children, has it ever happened that you had done some mischief and your mother found out just while looking your face? It means your face expressions are seeing your feelings clearly. Have you seen different forms of dances? In dances, we express through our eyes and our hands as well. They are called mudras and bhavs. So here is few mudras. We'll take first one. So first mudra, you can see the first mudra. First mudra is flower bud. Now we come to second mudra. Second mudra is flower. Now we come to third mudra. Third mudra is called as snake. Now we come to next, fourth. It is called as fish. These are different types of mudras. Look at these pictures and guess. Make your own story. As far as my concern, I will tell the story on the basis of these pictures. Once upon a time, on a huge tree, there lived a squirrel. She used to dance and laugh all day long. She was called as Joyous Squirrel. One day she decided to cook something delicious and invited her friends, Maina, Crow, Rats and Bees, to enjoy the feast. They all loved having food together. Children, chapter is over now. This is a practice worksheet for you. You can take shots of it by pausing the video and do it in your notebook. I hope you find this informative. See you in next video. Thank you.